So HBO's new show A Night of the Seven Kingdoms is coming in 2026, and I know many of you are super excited for it, but also a bit confused about where this story actually fits in the Game of Thrones world. So let me make it super easy for you. This story is not from the main A Song of Ice and Fire books, but yes, it belongs to the same world of Westeros, and it is written by the same writer, George R. R. Martin. The events take place after House of the Dragon, but long before Game of Thrones. Alright, let's talk about the timeline first. It all started with Aegon the Conqueror, the man who united all the seven kingdoms. Almost 100 years later came the time of House of the Dragon. The story of Princess Rhaenyra and Prince Daemon Targaryen and the great civil war known as the Dance of the Dragons. That war happened around 129 AC, and after that the dragons slowly started dying out. Then about 80 to 90 years later, around 209 AC, comes the story of a Night of the Seven Kingdoms. By that time, dragons were gone and the Targaryens still ruled from the King's Landing, but their power had weakened. Now this story follows Sir Duncan the Tall, or Dunk. He was born a poor boy in Flea Bottom, the same place where Gendry came from later. He became a knight not because of a noble blood, but because of his courage, honesty and loyalty. He was called the Tall because he was a huge, strong, brave but kind-hearted. One day Dunk met a small bald boy named Egg who became his squire. But here's the twist. That boy Egg was actually Prince Aegon Targaryen, a real Targaryen prince traveling in secret. Later, Egg grew up to become King Aegon V. And yes, he was the great-grandfather of Daenerys Targaryen and a part of Jon Snow bloodline. In Game of Thrones, old Nan once told Bran stories about Sir Duncan the Tall. He became so legendary that even later kings remembered him. And there is a fan theory that Brienne of Tarth might be his descendant because she is also tall, strong and carries the same loyal heart. So this new HBO show will take us back to a world without dragons, a time when honor and friendship mattered more than power and politics. So yes, that's the short, simple story of Dunk and Egg. This story that connects House of the Dragon to Game of Thrones. So tell me in the comments, are you excited for this show or not? And follow me for the more.